Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to optimize video quality on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. There are many ways to leverage the Facebook app to build and grow your community, and video is a powerful tool that can help you reach your goals. Below to find 10 technical best practices based on feedback we receive from creator community, which can help you optimize video content, reach a wider audience, and increase retention. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to optimize your video quality on your Facebook. It's so simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Facebook. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings and privacy. Tap on settings. You can scroll down and you'll find media. Wait, so here's on the preferences section, there is an option media. You can just tap on that and you'll find there is an option optimize video. If your settings set to data saver, you can just tap on choose on optimize. So Facebook will adjust video to network conditions. It's so simple, right? So that is how to optimize your video quality on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.